We are about to head to the pool, and I have my Bogg bag, and this company sent me this insert for all of our pool stuff. So I have my sunscreen and my face lip balm SPF water bottle, and then this has some shampoo and conditioner bars so we can just shower off while we're at the pool. I have a squishy frisbee, one pair of goggles in there. But I love this pouch because, so there's pouch, and then a zipper pouch that goes all the way across. That's usually where I keep the frisbee, but we brought the bag to the 4th of July fireworks and stuff, so we had all the same things. But what I love is I have this big bag right here, and it fits right inside of this big pocket, because this bag like rotates with different toys every time. And then it was super easy to just button on each side of the bag, and it matched my pink bag perfectly. Love this thing. Definitely recommend this insert.